Once we've set up our project, we want to add in our driver diagram. So to do this, we're going to click on this Start button here within this driver diagram box. This is now going to take us to our driver diagram page. In order to start adding our primary and secondary drivers and our change ideas, we need to ensure we are in edit mode. To do this, click on the edit button on the right-hand side. You can see here that the aim has been automatically pulled through from when we set up our project. So now we're going to add in our primary and secondary drivers and our change ideas. To do this, we're going to click on this cross button here and a box is going to appear under our primary drivers. To add our first secondary driver, we'll click the cross button here and a box will now appear under the secondary drivers. We're then going to add in our first change idea by clicking that cross button and you'll see a box appears under the change ideas. So now we've filled out the first of our primary and secondary drivers as well as our change idea, we're going to add some more. So to do that, I'm going to come back to the aim and I'm going to click the cross button here and you'll see that a second box has appeared underneath my primary drivers. So I'm going to give that a name and then going to repeat this process in order to add my other secondary drivers as well as my other change idea. Once we've filled out all of our primary drivers, secondary drivers and change ideas, we can now actually colour code our driver diagram. In order to do this, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to click this Manage Colours button. Colours are now going to appear, so we're going to pick a colour that we want to use. We are now going to add a label to that colour. And we can do this for as many colours as we wish. Once we've added the labels to the colours we want, we'll click Done. Now we're back on our driver diagram, so we can now start colour coding our boxes. To do this, we'll click Choose a Colour button. We can then see the colours that we have already pre-populated and we can choose which one relates to those boxes. You can now see that we have a fully colour-coded driver diagram as well as a key of the colour codes below. One other thing to note is we have automatic and manual ordering. It defaults to automatic ordering, which means it automatically populates itself this way, but we can click on manual ordering, which allows us to drag and drop the boxes. Once we've completed the driver diagram, we're going to click Save. Once we've saved the driver diagram, we are actually able to export this image from LifeQI. To do this, we're going to click the Actions button here and the Export Driver Diagram here.